الحمد لله الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم والصلاة والسلام على معلم الناس الخير محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. We start giving you some tajweed tips or tajweed rules inshallah to help you read more properly inshallah. First, have you watched and your brothers, your siblings, have you watched the two videos I have sent to your
Yes.
mom? Really,
Yes.
mashallah. Was it good?
Yeah, it was all right.
Okay. So what do you know about Tajweed, Yasha? What is Tajweed?
Like, mm, it is any word of the Quran.
Sorry? Again,
Like,
please.
it's like a special, like, it's a special letter or like a word in the Quran that needs to have its to have meaning to it. Like you can see, as it's saying right there, respect. So if it's like a certain word in general
Mm.
that needs certain respect, that's all.
Uh-huh. Yeah, somehow that's right. Okay. But Tajweed, that word or that aspect refers refers to some refers to rules. Okay. Word Tajweed, okay, refers to rules. These rules control or decide or tell you how to read Quran properly. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
again, please. So a tajweed refers to rules. Okay,
Okay.
these rules tell you exactly how to read Quran properly. Okay, perfectly. Okay,
Okay.
so the meaning of tajweed. The meaning of tajweed is entrust every letter of the Quran. The rights. Each letter of the Quran has rights and has qualities. Okay, so the rights and what it deserves during recitation with respect to its pronunciation, description, and stretching. Sometimes, Yasha, I tell you to go between the teeth, right?
Mm-hmm.
With the specific letters, right?
Yeah, like the and all that.
Yes. That's refers or that belongs to Tajweed rules. Okay, pronunciation, under pronunciation, how to pronounce some letters. Okay, so at Tajweed, okay, or the rules of Tajweed entrust every letter of the Quran, its right and what it deserves during recitation, with respect to its pronunciation, description, and stretching. Some words have stretches like as-sama, as-sama. Okay,
That's yeah.
that's a stretching. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it has a rule. What is the purpose of Tajweed? Okay, the purpose of Tajweed or the rules of Tajweed protects the Quran from mistakes. If you didn't go between the teeth, if you have a letter dal, tha, and dha, and you didn't go between the teeth, that's a mistake. It might change the meaning of the word. And if you have any letter else and you some like letter seen or zai or whatever, and you went
Mm-hmm.
between the teeth, it also mistake. So the purpose of learning tajweed or studying tajweed, that at tajweed when we learn tajweed, it will protect the Quran, okay, the recitation from mistakes. Okay. Additionally, it beautifies the recitation. You will have a beautiful voice, natural, okay, by nature. If you just read only following the tajweed rules, you apply the tajweed rules, okay, Al Quran will be beautiful, subhanallah, by itself, by nature, okay, just by reciting Quran perfectly, okay,
Okay.
and the reader obtains blessings for every single letter pronounced correctly during the recitation, okay.
Okay.
So now we know the meaning of tajweed. The meaning of tajweed. Tajweed entrusts every letter of the Quran. That's right. What it deserves during the recitation, with respect to its pronunciation, description, and description. The
Okay.
purpose of Tajweed. At Tajweed, the rules of Tajweed protects the Quran from mistakes when it is being recited. Additionally, it beautifies the recitation and the reader obtains blessings for every single letter pronounced correctly during the recitation. Okay?
Okay.
Number three, section number three. Okay? The
Mm-hmm.
ruling of Tajweed. Okay? Learning the rules of Tajweed. Is it mandatory or or um,
I know what
prohibited
you mean. It's
or
mandatory. It's
recommended
mandatory.
or
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. It's mandatory
yes. Why? For
because
the previous section,
it,
the previous
yes,
section, it protects the Quran from mistake, right?
yeah.
Do you think we should protect Quran from mistakes or not? We must
Well,
protect Quran from mistake, right? Because it's the
100%.
Quran, it's the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
the rulings of Tajweed. Learning the rules of Tajweed is fard kifayah. It is compulsory that some people in the community know the rules of Tajweed. You live in US, it's in a state, so at least your city have one sheikh or two sheikh, or the masjid you have in your community, the sheikh in there, the imam knows the rules of Tajweed perfectly. So he recite the Quran well. People can listen to him. People can ask him. Okay. However, however, reading Al Quran with the rules of Tajweed is fard ayn. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It is compulsory in everyone, every Muslim to read the Quran with the rules of Tajweed. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That can be it for Tajweed today, inshallah. Then we can read Quran now. Okay?
Okay.